Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to filter empty rows in Excel sheet and load the data into SQL table. So first I will show my Excel sheet. So where my source data is available. See, this is my Excel sheet. So it contains 3 columns: ID, name and salary, and 4 rows. But in between the rows you can see some empty rows. 2, 3, 4, 5. So data is there in the Excel sheet, but some of the empty rows also appear in the sheet along with the data. Now I want to load this data into SQL table using SSIS package. So first drag data flow task, Excel source, new, and browse the document. So this is EMP Excel sheet. Open. OK. Now here I have only one sheet. I'm selecting the sheet 1. If you go to preview here, if you see the preview, so you can see null values. So the Excel sheet, the data in the Excel sheet looks like in the same way. So now our intention is to eliminate the null rows and load only the data available. That means we have only 4 rows: 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay. I want to load only 4 rows among this range of this data. Go to columns and OK. So configuration is done successfully for Excel. Now to remove the null values, we can use, if it is particular range, suppose if the Excel sheet has one particular range, then we can use the Openrowset. In the Openrowset, you can apply your range of the data. The data is available in particular range of the cells. So I will show what is the range and how to use the Openrowset. So I will take one more sheet 2. Suppose I have data for these columns: ID, name, if your Excel sheet data looks like this, so we know there is particular range is there in the sheet. Then you can use the Openrowset. By using Openrowset, you can mention the range. So here you can mention sheets 6 to 9. Sheet 6 to 9. This is the range of the data. This Openrowset helpful. If you give the range like this, then it will read the data by using SSIS only this range of data. SSIS package will read only particular cells and load the data. But here the sheet 1 there is no range. So in between data also you can see some empty rows. So in this scenario we cannot use the Openrowset. Okay, we can use some other transformation to load the data. I want to use the transformation called conditional split. So by using conditional split, so you can eliminate null values before it getting loaded. Okay. So here you need to write the condition. Double click. So here the condition is clear. If the ID is null, then I don't want to load the data. Okay. For that, I am using ID column. The ID is null, automatically remaining 2 columns also null. I am using isNull function. IsNull ID. Okay. So I am giving these as empty rows. Empty rows. If your cell has any null values, I am considering it as empty rows. Now default output I am considering as the data rows. Okay. So I wrote the condition in conditional split. Now we need to load the data into destination table. So I already told I want to load only data rows. I don't want empty rows. Double click. So I want to create the table. First I am selecting the connection healthcare in my database. Okay. Create a new table. emp underscore tbl. This is my new table name. Okay, already exist. Table is already exist. Now I am creating one more table. emp underscore table. Okay. Now table is created. Table with same columns. ID, name, salary. Okay. Now go to mappings. Okay. So all is done. Now before executing, I make sure once again there is no data in the emp underscore tbl table. I am executing the package. See here. From Excel to conditional split, there are 9 rows are loaded, including empty rows. From conditional split to destination table, we have only 4 rows. That means only data rows. So it eliminates the condition based on the writing in conditional split. Okay. Now check the table. So here you can see 101, 102, 103, 104, and this is the data. Okay. Actually, in the condition split, so I wrote the condition to eliminate the empty rows. For that, I am using isNull function with ID. If isNull is ID, then I am considering as a empty rows. Default output I am considering as a data rows. So in the OLDB selection, I am selecting only data rows. So if you select the conditional split from empty rows, you will load only empty rows into table. Now I am selecting the data rows from the conditional split into SQL table. So this is how you need to load the data when your from the Excel sheet. When your Excel sheet contains when the data contains empty rows in between the data, so you can use by writing the conditional split. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.